Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Facebook Metapixel to your SamCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Facebook Metapixel to your SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that tracking conversions and creating an audience is an important part. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Most of it's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order for this to work, you have to have your Metapixel ID copied. If you need help finding that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. Once you have your Metapixel, you're going to come back here to your SamCart dashboard, and here on the left menu, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click here on tracking and pixels. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here, and you want to look for this line right here, Metapixel tracking, and you can see this little toggle. Go ahead and turn that on. All right, once you turn that on, you want to go ahead and paste in your pixel ID. Once you pasted your pixel, you want to click on Save Changes here on the top right. All right, quick second later, you'll see this pop down here, tracking and pixel settings successfully updated. Once you've done that, you want to look down here for this line right here, fire pixels before redirect. So you can choose to have the pixel fired before the user is redirected to your thank you page. That's up to you. If you want to do that, it's going to cause a delay for a few seconds, but make sure this is turned on if you wish to do that. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Save Changes. Okay, and then you'll see the pop-up down here. It goes by pretty quick. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your Facebook Metapixel to your SamCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.